Death by exploding chewing gum. 9. 25-year-old Vladimir Lakonos, a chemistry student from Ukraine, was doing what a lot of students do, chewing gum while studying. But unlike most people, he had a habit of dipping his gum in citric acid to make it extra sour. On this particular day, Vladimir grabbed a small white powder from his desk, dipped his gum, popped it in his mouth, and started chewing. Only it wasn't citric acid. It was a highly explosive chemical compound he had been working with in his lab.
And why do we have both of those next to each other? Having food and fucking deathly chemicals next to explosive chemicals right next to each other in similar containers.
Within seconds, the gum...
Real scientists don't allow food in labs for that exact reason. I think it's contamination as well on what you're experimenting with. But also, yeah, dude, what if you eat something you're not supposed to? Don't eat in a lab.
...detonated inside his mouth. The blast was so powerful that it blew off his jaw and lower face, killing him instantly.
Wow.
His parents, hearing the explosion, rushed in, only to find an unspeakable scene. When police investigated, they found two identical containers, one with citric acid, the other with a volatile explosive powder. In a tragic mix-up, he had grabbed the wrong one.
I mean, like, fucking at least color code them, you know? I feel bad, but it's like, holy shit, why did he have both of them right next to each other?
This accident could have been avoided by labeling things properly. It also served...
I wouldn't even say labeling them, just giving you some sort of direction on, like, what's... You don't even need to write down explosive powder. You could just be like blue versus red container.
This is an important lesson. If you're going to eat something, make sure it's actually food. As bizarre as these stories may be, it's important to remember that these were real people with real lives.
Yeah, like I'm not like making fun of them. It's just like, holy fuck, dude. These people actually died from this. The last death was unbelievable. How do you not notice the dangers of having two similar contents and one of them being an explosive powder and the other something you regularly consume? How traumatizing it was for the parents to see that scene. I feel like that one was dumb, but still not as dumb as jumping into a chimney.